Today we're gonna do a full Gua Sha routine for a less puffy nose, double chin, and eyes. Right here on the face we have a ton of stagnant fluid that can create the puffiness and also skin sagging. We're going to flush out the stagnation for contoured look. Start with your facial oil or moisturizer. Then we're gonna follow these movements to open up the lymph nodes so we can drain everything properly. Going up to the jaw corners and start massaging lightly in circular motions. Then go to ears and massage the ears as well. After the lymphatic drainage, I go on my neck with my Gua Sha, going down beneath the ears and up everywhere else on the neck. This exercise is also amazing for neck wrinkles and reducing the double chin. It can also help you to correct your posture. As you know, during the day we're using our phones a lot and we tend to look downward, and that causes neck tension. And this is one of the exercises that I try to do every day to release the tension of the day. We're hitting under the chin so that fluid can glide right down the lymphatic drain, giving us a more sculpted jawline. Here's my picture back in 2022, and as you can see, my jawline wasn't as sculpted and also my posture needed improvement, and this is one of the exercises that helped me to transform my face, and I guess it's a proof that consistency can lead to incredible changes. I'm gonna add lots of these kind of pictures for you to see, guys. I get lots of comments that you guys just want to see the transformation and the results. Right here, we're gonna clean up the sinus region. This is gonna make the nose less puffy, and it's also gonna show off the cheeks. Smoothly gliding to the side of the nose using the flat edge of the Gua Sha, and then going upwards on the cheeks. This helps with puffiness around this area and defines the shape of the nose. We're gonna go up the nose like this and depuffing the nose. So with this exercise, we're gonna also warm up the frown lines area and the muscles there to release the tension in the muscles. And then we're gonna take this and focus here where we also have sinus fluid to break up, but it's also gonna help with wrinkles as well. I'm doing this for 10 times and I just changed my hands because my other hand was getting a little tired. For the next exercise, I'm gonna just go upwards on my forehead to unfold any wrinkles here and move the fluid towards the lymph nodes. And the next exercise is a lifting exercise as well, and it's one of my favorites because I really love my eyebrows to look lifted and foxy. Now we're going into the eyes, or getting rid of the puffiness and hooded eyes and draining out the fluid so that it can be lifted. Most of the days, I wake up with my puffy eyes. If you are like me and you are having this every morning, this is one of the exercises that you can do every morning. It's a very simple exercise, and I guess it's only gonna take 1 minute of your time. This is something that I do every morning. So this was it for today's video. I hope you liked my video and it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think might need this, and also subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye!